Hi everyone, just wanted to do this really quick video to give you an update on what I've been doing in my research. Lots of you have been asking. So, essentially I looked into the relationship between protein, dietary protein, so foods like red meat, eggs, chicken, pork, pulses, beans, legumes, soy, tofu. So protein foods and older men developing urinary symptoms resulting from something called benign prostatic hyperplasia. So more commonly, it's referred to as enlarged prostate, but it's essentially where prostate cells in men, which is a gland that sits around the urethra, grow through life. So starting at age 40 and through to the age of to the end of life. So it affects pretty much every man by the end of their life. This cellular proliferation can cause urinary symptoms, and that's what I was looking at. Does protein cause the development of these symptoms? I did it with a literature review, so I went to some large electronic health databases and found research that showed an association between protein and this disease. And what did I find? Overall, the studies were very different and hard to stick together to find an overall association. But I did find that the biggest and seemingly best study in the area was quite low quality. And so it's probably best not to rely on it. And this study actually says that protein is harmful. So that was a useful finding, if only to show that that may not be accurate. And the other thing I found was that if you looked at the higher quality studies, there may be a protective role for protein in early stages of the disease. So practically that means younger men who are first starting to see symptoms of developing urinary symptoms, these men may benefit from increasing their protein intake. So while no huge breakthrough findings or obvious findings, they're two useful little findings that I think will add value. I certainly won't change how I recommend protein to older men in light of the risk of developing this condition, but I'm pleased I know this information. And the research process was absolutely fascinating. Really enjoyed it, and I've learned an absolute lot of information. Anyway, I hope you found this interesting. Thanks for joining me, and see you soon. Bye.